All right, in this problem, you are going to calculate the height where to put a hoop so that the ball will go through it when it's shot 50 degrees, traveling 6 meters per second along that line. And the hoop is going to be 1.5 meters in front of the launcher. So again, you have to figure out the height to put the hoop when it's 1.5 meters in front of the launcher. Here is a setup for the initial velocity trigonometry, and you should be able to solve for those components there, horizontal and vertical. So our 2 points in time when it comes out, and up here at the hoop, horizontal velocity, we have the calculation over there, 3.86, you should have found that, and it stays constant. It's going to go 1.5 meters, that's where we're going to place the hoop, horizontally away from launch point. No acceleration horizontally. Initial velocity vertically, we calculated 4.6 meters per second. At that point, we know it's horizontal velocity, but we do not know the vertical velocity, so that's unknown. We're trying to figure out how high to place that hoop, so that's unknown, but we do know acceleration is that, and we do not know the time. This may seem like we don't know enough over here to do anything. We only know two things, but look at the horizontal information. We know the velocity, and we know how far it goes, and we also know acceleration. We just want to know the time, and we can figure that out because we know this relationship holds for constant velocity, and we know how far it goes, and we know how fast it's going. So the time is going to equal how far it goes divided by the velocity. So the time in this case, to get to that point of 1.5 meters away, the velocity is 3.86 meters per second horizontal progress being made when shot at that angle. So the time to get to that point is 0.39 seconds. So we now know the time. That gives us three things vertically, and we'll be able to calculate the change in position vertically, which is delta y. And if you select an equation and figure out vertically, it should go at that point, it should have changed its vertical position 1.05 meters.